Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Audi A4 rear view mirror. First, determine the extent of the damage. Is it just the glass or the entire housing? Next, check for any electrical problems if your mirror isn't adjusting properly. Finally, make sure you have the right tools on hand, such as a trim removal kit and various screwdrivers, before you begin. This preparation ensures a smoother repair process. To begin the removal, gently pry off the mirror glass itself. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the housing. Once the glass is off, you'll see the electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect these. Finally, locate and unscrew the mounting bolts that secure the entire mirror assembly to your Audi A4. Keep track of all hardware for reinstallation. Now, take your new mirror assembly and carefully align it with the mounting points on your Audi A4. Once aligned, secure it firmly using the screws or bolts you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring. This step is crucial for the mirror's power, heating, and adjustment functions to work correctly. After installation, it's time to test everything. Turn on your car and check all mirror functions, including the power adjustments and any heating elements. Make sure the mirror moves smoothly and responds to controls. Also, give the mirror a gentle tug to ensure it's securely attached and stable. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.